fits all ATV makes and models with a 7/8 handlebar. 2 heated clamp-on grips and 1 adhesive-backed silicone thumb warmer. Quad zone controller. Select your thumb and grip heat levels separately with additional zones for heated seat, vest, or insole heaters. Maximum 45 watts, 20 per grip, 5 per thumb warmer, at 14 volts. Kit includes 1 zip tie and doesn't include wire taps. Fit type. Vehicle specific. The Quad Zone ATV clamp-on heated grip kit was designed to keep your hands and thumbs warm while riding or working in cold weather, with an easy-to-install grip and thumb warmer kit. Our innovative design lets you control the amount of heat you desire with the Quad Zone controller. The controller has multiple mounting options, adjustable LEDs for day or night operation, and will shut off automatically after 2 hours to save your battery life. With the Quad Zone controller, you can power a heated seat, heated vest, or heated boot insole inserts independently from the grips and thumb warmer. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice. I have had cheaper heated grips and always had complaints with them: too big to grip comfortably, not enough heat settings for year-round use, etc. These have none of those issues. They are a comfortable grip and have a great deal of adjustment. Even on warm days I use the thumb warmer on a lower setting to ward off the numb thumb I used to get. Up on the highest setting they are actually too warm, which is not something I will complain about when it's -20 and my gloves are an inch thick. They aren't difficult to install and most ATVs already have auxiliary connectors in place tied to the ignition switch. I look forward to being able to plug in my helmet and not have a foggy shield when riding slow on those cold days. These are simply the best when it comes to grip, thumb warmers.